Before we begin cleaning, please make sure the machine is power off and unplug from the power source for your safety. Loosen the two screws on the top of the laser module. If the screws are too tight, you can use the long end of the L-shaped wrench to help loosen them. Next, unplug the air assist tube. Then twist off the small plastic piece that holds the screws in place. Loosen the knob on the right side and lift the laser module upward. Twist the laser nozzle anti-clockwise to remove it. You'll see the protective lens inside the laser head. Dab a bit of alcohol on the non-woven cloth. Then gently wipe the lens to clean it. When you're done, screw the nozzle back on. Slide the laser head back down into place. Tighten the knob, put the screws back in, and reconnect the air assist tube at the top. And that's it, your Falcon A1 laser head is all clean and ready to go.